How to add parallax banner in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add or create parallax banner in your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So we're gonna use application from Shopify App Store. In the admin dashboard, you can navigate to the left side of your screen here and then click apps. You can click on it. And in the search box, you can search section and you can search on Shopify App Store, and then you will find a lot of option here. But what we're looking for is this one. You can click on it, and as you can see in section store, they have a lot of reviews and good star ratings. So I think this is one of the best option. You can see the feature here. You can read the reviews, and then you can just click install here. I already installed it, so I can just open it. And then you will be in this page. Now, in order to install the parallax banner, you can click explore all sections. And then you will find a lot of templates here. So most of them are paid templates. So we're gonna click free here. And then you can search parallax, and you will find parallax banner here. It's free. You can click on it. And then you can see the demo if you want. And this is the demo. This is the parallax banner. And now you can just click get free section. After that, you can just click add to theme here and then choose your current theme. I'm gonna choose down theme, click on it, and it's successfully installed. Now you can just click customize in and choose the down theme. And in the theme editor, let's say I want to add the parallax banner in here. So I'm gonna create a new section here, and then you will see my template from parallax banner. You can click on it, and now it's added to my home page. So now you can just customize it. You can change the images, and you can set up anything here. You can modify it. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.